Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to discuss about the split cell and merge cell options of a table in Microsoft Word application. In this given sample table, we want to split each column into 3 more equal columns so that under each quarter, we will be able to write 3 months name. Say in quarter 1, I have to write January, February, March, quarter 2, April, May, June. Like that, we want to do this in quarter 3 and quarter 4 also. So the first step is below the title quarter 1, we will highlight all these cells. So do not include the title. We will select all the cells below the title quarter 1. Then we'll make use of the layout tab. In layout tab, we can see a command split cells in the merge group. So in the merge group, there is a split cells command. We click on split cells. Then we specify the number of columns. Now we prefer 3 columns under quarter 1. So I make this number of columns into 3. Number of rows, we are not changing. Keep it as 7 because we already highlighted here. Then we click on OK. So that we are able to write here January, February, March. Now let us see for the quarter 2. So I highlight all the cells below the title quarter 2. Go into layout tab, split cells. Number of columns we specify as 3. Number of rows no need to change. Click on OK so that I can enter April, May, June. Now I continue for quarter 3 and quarter 4. Split the cells, 3 columns. Okay, July, August, and September. The last one, quarter 4 again. Layout, split the cells, 3 columns, so that I can write October, November, and December. Now, above this quarter 1, quarter 2, we need a new row to enter a table heading. So I click inside quarter 1. We'll go to layout tab, insert above. We'll add a new row above these titles. Then we will merge that. So to merge the cells, we need to highlight. So you can click here to highlight the first row, layout tab, merge cells. Then we give a center middle alignment. Then I'm writing a title here as 2020 sales report. Now, below the table, I want to just add a title like prepared by accounts department. So below I'm clicking, adding a new row below, insert below, merging the inserted row, that is in layout tab, merge cell. So before merge, we make sure that that row is highlighted. Highlighted the row, layout tab, merge cells. For this, we give a right middle alignment. Then we add a title here as prepared by accounts department. So this is the split cells and merge cells option in Microsoft Word. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more useful videos.